Hello. Hello. Mila, what do you have here? Oh, it's... You were drawing with a black marker. Yeah. And look at Mila. Maybe you have already guessed that we are playing with Marshall from the Paw Patrol. Ta -ta 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 -ta. Marshall, our little friend. He is Marshall. Marshall. Yeah, he has all his outfit, red vest and helmet, and he is a firefighter. You know, Paw Patrol Marshall. Okay. So Mila, let me open it. Come on. This big guy. Will he come out? Come on, little boy. Now, the good thing is that this is made together with Zoomer toys. If you remember Zoomer toys, here, scissors, Mila, cut. Yeah, I have a better equipment here. Mila, no. Here, I'll show you. Come on, Marshall. Wow! So it's Marshall and together with Zoomer toys. Zoomer, you see Zoomer. If you are familiar with such toys and their series, okay, now cut it. Yeah. Oh, Mila is playing. These are water bullets which you put here in the pop pack. And now let's turn him on. Oh. If there is an emergency somewhere and an animal is in danger, Marshall is on his way to save those animals from fire. So he has water in his pop pack. And now, look, no, like this, and press. Oh, you have to now press. Water is water bullets to put the fire out. Now turn it on. We can press on his head and press on his badge.
I'm ready for a robot rescue.
He has a lot of different features. You just watch at the instructions and just look at the instructions and you will see all of his features. I can help you?
Go!
No. Press like this. Away from you. Look, Mila. If you can see my hand. No? Yeah. See, he can move away from your hand. A lot of different features he has. You can tickle his belly like this. Tickle his belly. Come on. I'm tickling your belly. No, nothing happens. Press on his butt. Here, look, Mila, his head.
Don't forget to poke. See you next time. I'm ready for a rope rescue. Don't forget to
Yes. Install this water bullets. There is fire nearby and Marshall is on his way to save a squirrel from a fire. So squirrel is here. I'm a squirrel. I'm a squirrel. Come on, come on. Shoot, shoot. Squirrel is on fire. I'm on fire. Yes, I'm here. Press the button. Oh! Oh, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Marshall. Woo. Wow. Wow. Haha, Marshall from the Zoomer toys. Zoomer. So he has so many features. It will take us whole day to show you what he can do. Look, all the pictures here, all the different modes. So you can press on his badge on his head, and he has sensors here which he can feel. Now is charging, is loading a water gun. And now set 1, 2, 3 and go! Woo! Wow! Mila. Okay, one more. Last shot. And you have to just be gentle, Mila. Don't push it really hard. And last shot. Ta 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 ta. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for watching and we'll see you again. Have a good day.